What makes desert road construction so challenging? Why is it so difficult to build and maintain roads in deserts? The problems go far beyond heat alone. In desert regions, roads must fight against extreme temperature swings, shifting sands, water scarcity, and sudden flash floods. Each of these creates unique challenges for engineers. Let's break them down one by one. Extreme temperature swings. One of the biggest issues is with bitumen, also called asphalt binder. Bitumen is the black sticky material that holds road aggregates together. At very high temperatures, especially above 55 degrees Celsius, weaker grades like VG30 start to soften. When this happens, roads experience rutting and bleeding. Rutting means permanent depressions form in the wheel paths. Bleeding means excess bitumen rises to the surface, creating a shiny, slippery layer. A desert road must resist heat not for a day, but for decades. Otherwise, it begins to fail almost immediately. Shifting sands. Another challenge is wind-blown sand. Sandstorms constantly sweep across highways, burying sections of pavement. This doesn't just look dramatic. It is deadly for roads. A single sandstorm can bury a highway overnight, covering markings, reducing skid resistance, and making driving unsafe. That's why engineers must design not just the road, but also the defenses against moving sand. Water scarcity. Then comes the issue of water. Compaction of soil and curing of concrete both require water, but deserts have almost none to spare. Engineers often transport water from far away or rely on chemical alternatives. Without this, the very foundation of the road cannot form. In deserts, a lack of water can stall construction for weeks, or worse, lead to weak foundations that fail under the first wave of traffic floods. And finally, although deserts are dry most of the year, they are prone to sudden flash floods in dry riverbeds, locally called wadis. These floods arrive without warning. Heavy rain may fall in distant mountains, and within hours, walls of water crash through the valleys. One flash flood can destroy months of construction in just a few hours, washing away embankments, eroding base layers, and even cutting highways in half. Because of all these factors, international standards like the Indian Roads Congress, IRC, and the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, AASHTO, classify deserts as a separate climate zone. These codes recommend using special binders with softening points above 55 degrees Celsius to handle the heat. So, desert road construction isn't just about laying asphalt on sand. It is about fighting the elements: heat, sand, water, and sudden storms, all at once. And before engineers can fight the desert above the ground, they must first prepare what lies beneath. The battle truly begins with the subgrade, the foundation of every desert road.